How to spot AI in writing. So many says that one of the red flags you will notice is the M dash. Well, that is not entirely true. If you see one or two M dash where they are supposed to be, it is not enough reason to conclude that the person has used AI to write. But if you see a lot of them scattered throughout the manuscript document, then that is a big red flag that this person likely used AI to write. And then if you see big empty words that are fancy but makes no sense or has no relevance to the topic, where it's like earthworm embrace or a lot of embrace, words that are just big and really mean nothing, that is another sign of AI. And then another thing AI does that is like after a while he just gets tired or he just gives up, because you tend to see that a lot of the paragraphs are rephrased, like they're saying one same thing but in different ways. So that is another sign, when you see a document that it is there's a lot of repetition, a paragraph is written in different forms, and it doesn't even address the main topic, it just keeps on talking about one particular thing over and over but in different ways. That is an AI red flag. And then, of course, AI also hallucinates. What this means is that it will give you a fact, but then it's fake facts. So even when you use ChatGPT, it tells you that you should verify this fact because it can also make mistakes when giving you facts. So if you see maybe somebody claiming that XYZ happened, but it didn't really happen, you're wondering when did this happen? That is likely to be, that is another sign that it is AI hallucination. Another thing that is also tend to use words that people wouldn't use when making everyday conversation. It's just like when you're on a date and this person is just throwing big meaningless grammar to impress you. Then there are AI checkers, but the thing with AI checkers is that if even if you upload a document that you wrote yourself, it's going to tell you that there's a probability of it being 50% human, 50% AI, because even the fact checkers cannot accurately and 100% tell when something is written by human and when something is written by an AI. So these are the few red flags you should watch out for when trying to verify if something was written by an AI. Bye.